According to the ATO, these are the 5 most common deductions Aussies claim on their tax returns. Number 1 are working from home expenses. Now, the ATO allows you to choose from 1 or 2 different ways that you can claim work from home deductions. The first is the fixed rate method, which allows you to calculate the amount of hours you work from home multiplied by a fixed rate to equal your total deduction. Or there's the actual cost method. That involves accumulating all your different actual expenses that you've incurred in the financial year from working from home, and you can then claim that. Number 2 is expenses for a car you own or lease, and the ATO are very clear that these can only be for work-related car expenses, so not at all for personal-related expenses. They also are very strict on record-keeping requirements, so it's best you are across those requirements before you start to claim work-related car expenses on your tax returns. Number 3, the costs of managing your tax affairs. These deductions you can claim for any costs you incur in managing your tax affairs, such as paying a tax agent to do your tax returns, gaining tax advice, and anything similar like that. Number 4 is gifts and donations. Now, the ATO does, of course, allow deductions for gifts or donations you make to certain organisations, provided they have deductible gift recipient status. So that's one thing to look out for to make sure you're deducting those kinds of expenses correctly. And 5th and finally is income protection insurance deductions. Now, the insurance itself is a type of cover that protects you in the case that you can't work for a period of time if you've fallen ill or become injured. So the ATO allows you to deduct the cost of those premiums in your tax returns every year. There are obviously hundreds of different deductions that you could claim on your tax returns every year, including rental property related deductions, professional accreditation fees, union fees, the list goes on. For anybody particularly interested, I'd recommend going to the ATO website. They're pretty clear and transparent in the kinds of deductions that you can claim, and pretty clear also in the way that you can deduct them with the calculation methods and all of that kind of stuff. Other than that, was there anything I missed? If there was, feel free to chuck it in the comment section down below, and if not, feel free to comment your favourite or most common tax deductions.